What's going on? I don't know why I can't see chat. Give me a second. All right. Heck yeah. Here we are. Hope everybody's doing all right. Go check out. There's an accident down here on the highway, so go see what's going on down there.
Hello!
What's up?
Okay, that red car I had stopped on a traffic stop right before the 24/7 sign, kind of where the cars are facing coming this way, right?
All right.
I had him at an OWI stop, possibly. I went back to my car, and the state unit was out with me, and I was gonna run Mr. Ertz's, who's the red car owner over there. He was sitting on the side of the road. I heard a car come flying up behind us. Looked back, didn't see it. I looked forward, and I saw the black and white Mustang right there, which is facing right where it was when I saw it, facing me. And I'm like, hey, where did the red car go? And the red car is over there now. And this black and white car, or black and white Mustang, smoked the red car to where it is now.
Interesting.
So no one died. We thought the
That's good.
driver of the red car was going to die, but he did not. He lived. He's in critical condition. There's no traffic unit on. I asked state if they want to take it. They said we don't. We only. It's just the lieutenant colonel and himself, the other trooper. If they had another trooper on, they would most likely definitely take it.
Okay.
But we don't have any traffic unit guys. I'm gonna probably. I know Williams he's an FTO right now.
Yeah, he's just. I mean, he's still a traffic guy. He can still work the accident if he needs to.
Yeah, and I also said that the CID, if there's a homicide, we can step in with the CID and let him do his first investigation. But that's not gonna happen. It doesn't sound like anymore.
Yeah.
But at that time, we didn't know if he was gonna live or die or anybody was gonna die.
Mm-hmm.
But it sounds like the guy in the black and white Mustang had something in the system.
Yeah.
So, and my guy was obviously intoxicated. I was gonna do an OWI stuff with him and probably arrest him. But on the other hand, I don't know what. So, what is your call on it?
I don't know anything about it other than what you just told me. I mean, I didn't even. I didn't. What do you? I don't know.
Do you want us to take it, or do you want state to take it?
Well, if state's not going to, then we're gonna have to. I mean, it's our thing. I mean,
Okay.
did you saw the accident happen, right?
Barely. I just heard it get. I just heard the
Okay.
crunch because I was in CAD, and
Okay.
I'm gonna go check and see if I clocked him on radar. The black car at least coming up flying behind us, but we were all the way over here, like stopped. Like we're out of the way of the interstate. We weren't on the side of the road. We're in here. So that's why I'm like kind of questioning that, you know.
Yeah, I mean, state only has to step in if it's a fatal. So, I
Yeah.
mean, if it's not a fatal accident, then we can work it.
Okay. Um yeah, I don't know. It's just weird cuz I didn't really see it happen and the statey kind of saw it happen. I don't know what we want to do with it, you know.
Yeah, I don't see.
But
I mean, I think it's fine for us to do it if they don't want to.
uh, I'll let
Anywho,
who else is on the scene? I was going to put it in CAD, but everything just popped off all at once, but
you don't have a call open for this yet?
I was going to, and then
Yeah,
that's
well,
when it
get that done
friggin'
ASAP. Like,
smoked.
make
Yeah.
that the next thing you do.
Yep. So, I don't think we have any other traffic guys on besides William, so I'll just let him.
Yeah, I don't see why he can't do it. I mean, he's still a traffic guy, whether he's doing an FTO or not.
I can do the accident report, and I'll just get someone took a statement, I think, from somebody. I'll just get that statement, put it in, and I'll let the traffic guys do their job then, if that sounds good.
Okie dokie. Sounds good to me.
So we can just kind of get out of here and do it.
Yep.
Alrighty.
I'm out of here.
Okay.
Can y'all actually hear me though?
Alright. I do not want anything to do with this investigation.
Front, closing.
What did he just hit? Get back in the car. Get back in the car. Get back in your car now.
I was not even close.
Is that a person? Car 1 out on traffic. Vehicle versus pedestrian. I need another unit ASAP. 278. Was that a sign or was that a person?
I don't know what I just hit. I didn't see them. I don't know what the fuck I just hit.
Okay, stay right here. Do not go anywhere.
Okay.
Jeez, I can't tell if it was a person or a... Oh, Jesus Christ, it was a person. Ma'am, are you okay?
I have no idea what the fuck just happened.
Are you okay, ma'am? Blaine County to Alamo. Do you have any units available for mutual aid? Are you okay, ma'am? Disregard. Mustang just collided with this female. The Mustang that's stopped up there. Driver's still inside.
Okay. You want me to guess? Wait with him?
Yeah. Crap. Forgot to set my chat name. she gonna answer? Ma'am, are you okay? Road rash and scrapes. BCSO to BCFD. I have a vehicle versus pedestrian, 278 Panorama Drive. Female is conscious and stable right now. We're at the intersection of Chola and Panorama.
Alright, show me en route. Break dispatch, medic engine 331, show me en route, and also Stark County Road.
Hey, Dakota. Car 1 to 70. You can have him move a little more off to the side of the road if you want. We can open up this lane. Couldn't tell if it was a lady or a sign at first. Hey, vehicle is going approximately 62 mile an hour. Hit her directly. She went flying over this guardrail. She was talking to me initially. She's not talking to me now. Only some scrapes and road rash are visible.
Alright, sounds good.
Are you okay if I go check on the other driver? You good here?
Yeah, go for it.
Alright. Get my gun back in my holster.
I got his information and everything.
Okay.
If you wanna make the call so I can put his information on.
Yeah, well. I'm gonna have him step out. Just walk back here.
Okay.
Hey, you wanna hop out of your car so we're not standing in the road trying to talk to you?
Yeah.
Alright, walk back here for me. And just stand on the other side of the guardrail so that if another car comes and hits us, you don't get squashed.
North Station, clear of the accident 308.
Oh
Are
man.
you injured at all?
I just got off a wreck that I didn't want to do.
I don't even know where the fuck she came from. She came out of nowhere. I'm not even joking. I saw the cop. I didn't see her though.
You saw the what?
Saw him, your partner. I didn't fucking see the lady. I was running on the side of the fucking road.
Okay, so give me
Where
your
the fuck
events
she's
of
doing?
what happened from start to finish.
I'm driving down Panorama going towards 68. I'm sitting there doing what the speed limit, somewhere between there. I wasn't really sure. And I see you coming down the road. I'm looking at you. I look over to my right for a split second, and then I know this lady just pops up out of nowhere. I just slam right into her.
All right, where was she when you hit her? Was she on the shoulder? Was she where?
She was on the shoulder, and then all of a sudden, she was like running in the straight pattern, and then all of a sudden, like, jorted to like the left and right into me.
Into the road.
Yes, into the road.
Okay.
I didn't even know I hit her. That's why I stopped. I was like, what the fuck did I just hit?
Alright. Approximately how fast do you think you were going?
I would say 40, 45, 50.
Try
somewhere around
again.
there. How fast was I going?
You're going 62. The speed limit's 50. So you're doing
Okay.
12
Okay.
over. So do you think maybe if you were doing the speed limit, you might have had a little more time to react to somebody running into the road?
Well, technically, it's their fault for running into the road. This ain't crosswalk, is it?
No. I asked you a question. You're doing 12 over the speed limit.
Okay.
You don't even know. When you first told me, you said I don't even know how fast I was going. Why don't you know how fast you're going while you're on a county road with businesses on either side of you, with a person walking on the side of the road?
Would you rather have my fucking eyes on the speedometer the whole fucking time, or would you rather have my eyes
Well,
on
you
the fucking
need
road?
you need to know how fast you're going, and I think if you would have been going slower, you might have had a little more time to react to a person.
Well, if she didn't fucking run out in the middle of the road, well, she wouldn't be in this predicament.
The call's created. I'm gonna go check up with fire.
Alright.
God dang. I need to go back and watch this.
Hey, boss.
Hey.
So, County Medical should be here shortly.
Okay.
Surprisingly, she's only got a couple of cuts and bruises,
Okay.
but I still recommend sending her, getting her checked out.
Bobby, you see this taxpayer waste. This is why we should get rid
Your
of the
attached
police.
call
Do
has
you
been
guys
updated.
know her?
Oh yeah, she my dumbass whore friend.
Okay. Do you guys know her name?
Oh no, I don't know her name. I just know she's a whore.
Okay.
Yeah, she's an idiot. She's probably running the road. That's why she probably got ran over. She does stupid
Alright.
stuff all the time.
Okay. Now's not the time
No,
for
it
name
is the
calling,
time.
really.
No, it is the name time. It is
All right.
time for
Well, if you're
name
just
call.
gonna sit here and name call while she's just got hit by a car, then I'm gonna ask you respectfully to leave.
No. She knows this happens all the time. It happens. She knows what time it is.
Which
County
ho-
Medical
Hey
should be
Bobby,
out.
you see
Which
you see
hospital
Bobby
is
this
she going
way?
to?
Bobby, you don't
Sandy.
marry a
Okay.
dumbass whore, okay?
Hey, she's going to Sandy Hospital, so if you want to meet her there, you're more than welcome to. But I'm gonna ask
Okay,
you
Bobby,
to.
we're gonna
I'm
pick
gonna
her
ask you to
dumbass
unpark your
whore up.
vehicle from the middle of the road.
Let's get going.
Oh yeah, let's go. We'll head down over there and go pick this dumbass whore up. I'll see you later, bitch.
Thank you, sir. Well, good thing I have a real-time dash cam so I can go back and look at what the world happened. Alright, I'm gonna head back up there. I appreciate it.
Alright, sounds good. You need me for anything else?
No, you might want to ask the driver if he wants looked at. I mean,
Yeah,
I think he's fine, but worth checking. He's up
Alright.
here. Alright, so about how long between when she got into the road and when you hit her? About how much time elapsed from that point?
I don't even know, like probably like a millisecond. I'm not even joking.
Okay. This firefighter has some questions for you also.
Huh.
Did you attach his name to the call?
Yeah.
Sir.
Alright.
Do you have any reason that you want to be checked out by me?
Nope.
Any injuries, anything like that?
Nope.
All right. He's all yours.
Thank you.
Alright, thank you.
See ya.
Okay, Adam Baker. Alright, let's go back and look at this accident. See what actually happened here. Oh, he went off the road. Yeah. He totally went off the road. Okay, sir. So, when was have you had anything to drink tonight?
Nope.
You haven't done. Are you on any prescription medication? Did you take any drugs? Anything?
Nope.
Okay. Are you okay if I just perform a quick test on your eyes to make sure you're not under the influence of anything?
What happens if I say no?
Well, you don't have to, but if you don't, I mean, that's on you. I'm just trying to prove that you're not under the influence.
Oh, I'm not under the influence, clearly, right?
Well, I don't know.
Water,
That's why I want to
guitar.
do the test. So
Well,
do
you
you
don't know
want
if I'm
to
under
do you
the-
want to do it or not?
Well, no, I'm not gonna do it.
Okay. Step to this side of the guardrail, please.
Well-
All right. Turn around. Place your hands behind your back.
What are you gonna put me in handcuffs for?
Turn around. Put your hands behind your back.
For what?
Because I asked you to. Turn around.
Not fucking handcuffs, you corrupt motherfuckers.
Turn around.
Hey, dude, back the fuck up.
Hey, stop.
Get on the ground. Taser deployed. Taser deployed. Get on the ground. You got cuffs?
Yeah. Now you're definitely
Car
going to
1 in custody.
Fuck
Code
you.
4.
jail. Shut up.
Alright, I'm gonna read you something real quick.
Fuck yourself. I played the fifth.
That has no bearing on what I'm about to ask you. It means nothing. Alright, you are suspected of driving under the influence. You are being requested to submit to evidentiary testing of your blood or breath to determine alcohol content or controlled substance. If you consent to a breath test, you must give 2 or more consecutive samples. If this is other than a first offense, or it is believed you're under the influence of a controlled or prohibited substance, or reasonable grounds exist to believe you've caused death or substantial bodily harm to another person, you are requested to submit to a blood test. You have the right to refuse chemical testing. If you refuse to submit to chemical testing, I will apply for a search warrant to use reasonable force to obtain up to 3 blood samples from you. A refusal to submit to chemical tests or any portion thereof will result in the immediate suspension and subsequent revocation of your license or operating privilege for 1 week, whether you are found guilty of the charge you are arrested for or not. You are further advised that any warning relating to having an attorney present before any questioning does not bear on the issue of submitting to evidentiary testing. You do not have the right to speak to an attorney before testing. Are you willing to give a blood test? Oh, sorry. Are you willing to submit to a blood test? Simple yes or no. Alright, I'll take that as a refusal. I'll fill out a search warrant.
You want him in the back of yours or mine?
You can put him in mine.
Oh. I got his ID in my car.
Okay. Alright.
Let me go grab his ID for you. Alright, here's his ID. You want me to just put his registration and insurance back in his car?
Yeah. Did
Okay.
you attach the vehicle also to the call notes?
It should be. It's. Yeah, I did.
Perfect.
I'm gonna search his car and then I'll let you know.
Okay.
Incoming 911 call.
Yeah. Yeah, it did go south pretty quick. Okay. Now I gotta do a freaking search warrant in addition to the 3 DUI forms. Search. Yes. Involved a vehicle versus pedestrian. Subject veered off of the road and struck a female walking on foot. Subject refused.
There's a firearm also.
Okay. Clear it and stick it in my trunk. See if there's a serial number.
Yep, I'm looking for it right now.
Physically assaulted deputies requesting blood draw. No relevant criminal status. Oh. Driving under influence. Reckless driving.
Alright, I put it in your trunk and I'm gonna add the serial number to the call right now.
Okay.
Need anything else?
Can you do the tow for the car?
Yeah, I'll do that.
Thank you.
Alright.
Car 1 be en route with 1 to Sandy Medical for a blood draw. Alright, I'm gonna go ahead and invite. Oh man, huge fire in there. I'm gonna go ahead and advise you of your rights. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to speak to an attorney and have one present with you during questioning if you wish. If you cannot afford to hire an attorney, one will be appointed to represent you at no cost. Do you understand your rights? I guess there's no U-turn there. Okay, I have a warrant signed by a judge to get your blood, so if you fight, I'm just going to charge you with obstructing, and it's going to be a whole big deal, so I recommend that you comply. Car 1 on arrival, Sandy Medical. There we go.
UPS on company. Sheriff has come. Are any of you available to route over to a shooting over here at 244 Route 60?
Alright, that concludes your blood draw. We'll get the results in a couple days and go from there. So just so that you're aware, right now you're under arrest for battery on a peace officer, resisting arrest, and reckless driving. And pending the results of your blood draw, you may get a DUI. Car 1 clear from Sandy Medical en route to jail for booking. So I gotta do the admin per se, the arrest report, the DUI sheet, and a collision report. Incredible. Car 1 on arrival, county jail. Alright. Watch your step through the doors. There's a little hump. Alright, we're just gonna put you right here. Alright, so I'm going to be citing you first of all for a couple things. You're being cited, number one, for your speed because you're going 12 over the speed limit and it played a factor in the collision. Number two, you're going to be charged with reckless driving as a felony because it involved a serious bodily harm to another person. You're also going to be charged with battery on a police officer, which is a felony, and resisting arrest, which is a misdemeanor. And depending on your blood draw, you may get DUI. If that's the case, then the district attorney will notify you. But your driver's license will be suspended for 1 week as a result of you refusing chemical testing. Do you have any questions? Alright, I wish you the best of luck in the future. Okay. Well, I hate to end the stream early, but I'm going to be doing paperwork for like the next hour off of this, so sorry.